If you want to automatically download Amazon images from Product Gallery, you can do so in just a few easy steps. Open any Amazon listing and click the extension icon. All product images will appear here. For variants, simply select the one you want to download or export to Excel. Look at the top, you'll see Download and Export buttons. Click Download for all images or Export for an Excel file. This might take a moment if there are lots of images. With these simple steps, you can automatically download Amazon product images.